Hello students, today we are going to learn about assertion and reason based questions for class 10th mathematics. Here I am going to solve 5 questions. So if you are new on my channel, please like, share and subscribe YouTube channel Edutera. So let's start to learn something new. Edutera Mission of Success.
Directions. In the following questions, a statement of assertion A is followed by a statement of reason R. Mark the correct choice as. So dear students, this type of question will be asked in the coming exams. We will solve here 4 to 5 questions for better understanding. Now assertion is root x is an irrational number where x is a prime number, and reason square root of any prime number is an irrational number. Options are same for all the coming questions. Both assertion A and reason R are true, and reason R is the correct explanation of assertion A. Both assertion A and reason R are true, but reason R is not the correct explanation of assertion A. Assertion A is true, but reason R is false, and D is assertion A is false, but reason R is true. So we know that square root of any prime number is always irrational. So assertion is true. Now the reason square root of any prime number it is given. So assertion and reason both are true, and reason is giving correct explanation for the assertion. So here we will take the option number A. Now come on for question number 2. Question number 2, assertion. The value of 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree is 2. Reason, value of tan 45 degree equals to 1, cos 30 degree equals to root 3 by 2 and sin 60 degree equals to root 3 by 2. So as in the given assertion, it is like a question. So first we will solve and see. When you will solve 2 tan square 45, in reason it is given tan 45 is 1. So square of 1 is 1. It means 2 into 1 plus cos square 30. Cos 30 is given root 3 by 2. So cos square means 3 by 4. So plus 3 by 4 minus sin square 60, and sin 60 is given root 3 by 2. Then again when we will do the square, so it will come 3 by 4. One is plus and another is negative. So here cancelled and we are getting answer 2. So it is correct. It is also correct and giving correct explanation. Option A is correct. Option A means both reason and assertion are true, and reason R is the correct explanation for assertion A. Now come on for question number 3. Now third one, assertion. Rational number lying between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 is 3 by 8. Reason, rational number lying between two rational numbers x and y is 1 by 2 x into y. We will try to find the rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So here 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 divided by 2 equals to 1 by 2. Then take 4 as a LCM. Now 1 plus 2 2s and 2 1s 2. So it is 3 by 8, because 2 plus 1 3 and 4 2s 8. 3 by 8. Here assertion is true. Okay, 3 by 8, because it is telling that. Now but reason, you can see rational number lying between two rational numbers x and y is 1 by 2 x into y. It is false. So for this question number 3, assertion A is true, but reason R is false. So here we will tick option number C. Number 4, assertion. When a positive integer a is divided by 4, the values of remainder can be 0, 1, 2 or 3. Reason. According to Euclid's division lemma, A equals to BQ plus R, where R is greater or equal to 0 and less than B, and R is an integer. See, we have given an integer A is divided by 4. So when you will divide by 4, the remainder will come always will be less than B. It means R is always less than 4 and greater or equal to 0. We are getting R equals to 0, 1, 2 and 3. So assertion is true and reason is also true. We will take option number A. Now fifth assertion, the HCF of two numbers is 18 and their product is 3072. Then their LCM equals to 169. Reason, if A comma B are two positive integers, then HCF into LCM equals to A into B. So we know that here reason is true because we have a formula HCF into LCM equals to A cross B. It means we should multiply 18 into 169. If it is coming 3072, then assertion is also true. Okay, now check 18 into 169. So now it is coming 3042 and we have given their product, it is 3072. So assertion is wrong but reason is true. Wrong means false. So here option number D.